So welcome back to Custom Dev. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a virtual phone that you can use on testing on your Android Studio or the Visual Studio Code if you are coding your app using the virtual machine or using the React Native. Instead of opening the Visual or the Android Studio code, you can open it directly using the terminal or the command prompt. Just search command prompt like that, run it as administrator like that, and it will bring you to this tool here, the brag tool. On it, like cd to migrate or to go to this directory here. I'm going to paste these links in the command prompt, in the description, also in the comment section. But for your case, as you can see here, Joseph, this Joseph here, it will be your machine name. How you will know your machine name is open this file manager here and just click on local disk C, come to users, and you will see this name here, the first name here. It is the one that you are going to paste it here. So click on enter like that, and you can see that it have moved to this directory here. So the next thing is to check the availability of the virtual phone if it is installed. So what you are going to do is to paste in the other code here. This is emulator.exe. How we are accessing this thing is when you paste the directory here, this directory like that, you can be able to see this emulator.exe here, or the executable file. That is the one that we are going to use here. Plus you are telling it to list the available virtual phones, and just click on enter. As you can see here, we have just one virtual phone that we have already installed in our Android Studio. So what if you want it to learn, just paste this code here, emulator, and then paste this phone that you want to learn here like that. As you can see, mine is Pixel 8 API 35, but yours may be different depending on the one that you have installed. So just click on enter, and you can see a lot of these codes are learning, and you can see that our virtual phone have been run successfully. So what this does is when you are programming either you are using Flutter or you are using React Native, you can be able to test your app using this virtual phone like that. To stop it, what you are going to do is to click on your command prompt and just clicking on Ctrl+C to stop it from running. Ctrl+C. Don't know what is happening. Successfully loaded snippet, so it should be able to be stopped. Don't know. See that. Ctrl+C, and you can see that the boot have been successfully and the virtual phone have now been stopped. Just if you want to learn it again, do the same. Just learn using the emulator.exe and then the dash.avd and then your phone code, and just enter it like that, and you will be able to see that it have been switched on by default using the command prompt. The other way that you can do this is using the Android Studio code, but the disadvantage of using the Android Studio code is because Android Studio uses a lot of RAM in your machine, and if you have limited resources on your machine like RAM, it will consume a lot of RAM, which will cause a lot of trouble when you are programming your code. So the next part is to show you how to install it on the Android Studio Code. For this next part, I'm going to show you how. As you can see here, we have this Pixel 8 API 32 that you saw on previously in the command prompt installed. So this is the code for my app. It is called Lido Puzzle Game. It is available on Play Store for download. Remember to check it out using the link in the description. So to install a virtual machine, come to here to device manager. This is Android Studio. So on this add new, just create a virtual device and you can select which device that you want to be installed on your Android Studio. Just click on finish and you will be prompted to this: download Google Play item some system image. It will be 1.8 worth of storage and worth of internet consumption. Just if you want it, just click on yes and you can see this SDK component manager. It will install. It will take some time. If your network or internet is like mine, it can take up to 2 hours or so. It is worth waiting. If you can select any device, as you can see here, all devices are 1.8 of storage. So that is it. Just click on just wait and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, a like, comments on this topic. I will be able to assist you. I will answer all the comment sections. And also, if you want me to cover any other parts in Android Studio, in Visual Studio installations, I'm going to cover it using in the next tutorials. So that is it. Till next time, bye.